Hello, I'm Ted and welcome back to my world of modelling. Now, it's been about a year since I did my last video, a work in progress video. Well, this is still a work in progress video because I've been working on other things, but I've still found a bit of time to work on this one. As you can see, it's a bit more advanced. Now, if you remember, I'm trying to incorporate an OO gauge with an N gauge up there, and it's not easy. Just trying to make it look realistic from every direction. But I'll start over this end anyway. I wanted to incorporate an old ruined castle in this model. And sticking with this same theme of making all the buildings myself, I had to look at a few online, and the ones which I really liked are quite expensive, so this is my attempt at an old ruined castle. The towers are from an old yard broom style, which is then very carefully, with a spade chisel, hollowed at the middle, getting the walls down to about 3/16. And getting some cardboard, I managed to cut lots of strips, different sizes, glued them on to simulate the stone, then try to pick out some of the stones different colour just to accentuate the fact that they're old and slightly rustic looking. But it's actually cardboard. I was quite pleased with that actually. What I've had to try and do is all the OO gauge buildings are keep low, so when you look across, you see the little N gauge cottages in the middle, the OO gauge on the far side hidden by the trees, because it would look a bit silly if they're bigger than the ones in the middle. So that's what I've tried to do. It's up to the people to tell me if it works or not, but I'm quite pleased with it. There will be a big pool in the middle eventually when I get hold of some of the resin to simulate the water. And these buildings here, that will be shops selling, hiring out bikes and fishing tackle. So people, a couple of boats on the lake there, people fishing from the banks. I've probably made, I'm thinking much close on 100 trees now. Quite a challenge. It gets a bit boring in the end, but I'm pleased with the result. I decided to give this the autumn look. As you can see, it adds a bit of colour. This is a farm. The old combine harvester, what, 50p from a boot sale, car boot. As the car, that was about the same. Things to buy these hour gauge vehicles online, they're about a £5 each. Can work out expensive. Now this far end, I've got a Woodlands Naturist camp. This is a bit of a challenge. Preserving their privacy with a lot of cherry trees. The figures are quite realistic. Well, graphic. They don't leave anything to the imagination. As you can see, the OO gauge buildings are trying to hide behind trees, so whichever way you're looking at it, the trees in the foreground are always bigger than those in the distance. I had a lot of fun making the rocks because I just use polystyrene with a very sharp which I cut with those cheap retractable blades. Half a dozen for £1. And a couple of coats of paint. With some of them I burnt the strata with soldering on, actually, just to give that slight rock effect. I think it works. But I'm getting close to finishing many parts. Although nothing's actually finished. I'm close to finishing certain areas within the next 2 or 3 weeks. So I'd like to do another video, possibly. Another one in January. And I'm hoping anyway I can finish for Easter. One thing I do intend to do, which will take a little bit longer, I want to light up all the buildings at night. So I've got a few holes to drill. So in a dimmed light, I think it should look really nice. Anyway, that'll be it for now. Hopefully I'll do another one in about 4 weeks. So I hope everyone's keeping safe and fit. I know the difficult times we're living in, but just have to hope it's a brighter future. So I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year. And I hope I'll see you in about 3 or 4 weeks. Bye for now.